Hello, everybody. I just got home from work like 5 hours ago. My wife, oh, it is echoey in here. My wife took the baby to my mother-in-law's, so I have some time to work on the trailer. As you can tell, I'm dirty from work. I want to fix the shower. I need to take a shower. Don't mind the GoPro, it's just the second angle. But here's what's wrong with it. This door, oh, look how smooth that is. But then this one, you want to know the problem with it? Cut to the second camera. It doesn't have wheels, which is hopefully a very simple problem to solve. Phillips head, you could probably get away with a screwdriver. Probably actually, this is overkill. Watch that be like a foreshadowing. Check this out or something. And they sell these at Menards. They're supposedly it never says universal on this package. They're Kohler brand. So we're just kind of throwing spaghetti at the wall and seeing what sticks. But I want both doors to work. My wife keeps yelling at me because notice how this one has a handle on the outside, the other one has a handle on the inside. So this one's super awkward to open.
Hi, I'm Bob from Bob's Burgers.
So yeah, hopefully with these two things, we're gonna get it done. So I guess to start off, I'm gonna take off this door. And this will kind of give you an idea of the anatomy of it, right? So the wheels, they just go in there. These are dirty. I might replace them since I got 2 packages of these. I thought there was a lot more wheels on the door. So it just kind of sits in a lip. So there aren't any on the bottom. If I was a better person, this would be a great opportunity to clean the doors. This rail, that's fucking nasty. And that's nasty. I have a pressure washer. That might be coming. I could do that this weekend. I need to put that on my to-do list. I'll cut it into this video. This video is gonna be like a master cut. I might make a YouTube short. And then do like a master cut of some of my projects I do this weekend. Whatever, no one likes to hear me fucking meta commentary. I need a shower! So I guess we just do it. I mean, these are roughly in the middle. I don't think this is gonna be rocket science.
The fastest way to get money is to steal a bank machine. And it doesn't take rocket appliances to realize all you gotta do is take a fucking chain, hook it up to a truck, and yank the fucking bank machine out of the store.
Get our rollers. I'm gonna use this to open it. Check this out. Yeah, baby. All right. So my guess is that this is meant to act as a spacer, because if you kind of parts match it, these are identical. Well, they're not identical, but. So this is kind of a spacer. Then it screws in there. Oh no, screwing in there might be kind of tough. Never mind. So, I should have closed this door to begin with, guys. I hope y'all didn't see nothing crazy. Wow. Let's get this put together. It's literally 5-second video. I'm gonna have to do something else. Oh, hang on. This might be tricky. It's not. It's literally not.
Well, I suggest you gentlemen invent a way to put a square peg in a round hole. Rapidly.
Boom. Yeah, it's on there. I don't think... What gave that away? I don't think it's got to be on there very good. Very tight. Is this right? Yeah, that's got to go this way and this is going to go in there. Because theoretically, they'll self-adjust. I mean, and the more places it can spin, the better, right? I just realized I'm trying to spin the damn roller. I at least got that one tight enough to where it won't move too easy. And what? I just slot it up in now? Oh, yeah. Oh, hang on. There we go. Oh, that was not in the track. There. I've been putting this off for like almost a month. I don't have time after work. Actually, it does need to be adjusted a little so that it'll stand upright. We'll take it out and tighten it all the way. So this is roughly the adjustment we need. That's why they're slidey. So let's just tighten this up. I'm not gonna get it very tight. I mean, yeah, pushing on that's not gonna go nowhere. This end should be a little lower, but that's fine. Yeah, if I can get the impact to go click on it, I think it's good. And these still, I mean, they roll freely enough. Less friction than there was, am I right? There we go. And land that in the groove. It is now too high. Oh, this camera don't show it. This one does. Way too high. So I have to adjust it more. All right, this is a little more finickier. Also, check this out. It's just cocked up in there. I don't know if it's supposed to be like that. Actually, there's supposed to be some overlap here. So that might make up our difference. Get it up, lay it down, and yeah. So we'll pick up that piece of fucking aluminum. I think it's aluminum. And we'll bring it down. It's supposed to go over this channel. Well, what do you know? No, it's supposed to be in the back. It's still not sitting in that channel. Well, this isn't sitting in the channel either. Yeah, it is. This isn't. Yeah, that makes up the difference. Make sure everything is set. You know, I don't know if I have any self-tappers. I'm gonna be a cheeky bastard. I have self-tappers. I'll be right back. But through the power of I'm back. So I've got these self-piercing gutter screws. I know it's probably like not ideal at all, but it'll stop this piece of angle from popping off because there's no kind of fastener in there. And I got a hex head bit for it because for whatever reason, they're flatheads. So I'm not gonna do it in the shower, but I'll do it on the outside of the shower. Does that still work? We're in the groove down there, and this ain't going nowheres. So let's pop one on this other side. And I think this is done. Let's go pop one right here. Straight in the dome. Self-tappers, they really grab. That ain't even a self-tapper, but they really grab. They're good at what they do. So I should have got that the whole time because these are also hex. Yeah, these are probably the exact same rollers. So let's see, this thing rolls. Let's see if those are in the way of the front door. My evil genius might have foiled me. Get that in there. And then we can seat that. Hello? Oh. There. We're not seated. There we go. Well, I can tell you it's not hitting the screw. This shower it's all screwed up. Ideally, we wouldn't have it. But that's it. It's done. The doors work. Certainly better than they did. Tune in next time.